So as you can see in this picture, we've got a really sharp dent on so I'm going to get started on this dent here on this Porsche. The first thing I want to do is I want to keep in mind, as chilly as it has been here today, and the temperature of the paint, it's just too cold to push on. So I need to make sure that this paint is warm enough to move the metal without harming the paint. So what I do is I'll warm up the paint here very gently. When you have a dent this sharp where the center has just a huge pinch in the center of it, you have to make sure you bring up the center of these dents smooth and very slowly. So I will open this up again. So this is after a couple of hits, and even though I hit right in the center, you can see how sharp that dig is in the center of that dent. It actually has a little mark in the paint. I'm going to go ahead and remove this to a high quality finish, but I must keep in mind to really make sure the paint's warm and bring it up slowly. So now the center of the dent is really struggling coming up because it's so sharp. So now, again, I grab my tools to flatten out the outside edge, open it up again. So here we are with the finished product. And I'll pan across here so you can see that dent turned out flawless. I polished it, got the little scuff out of the paint, and this car is back to 100%. So they're just about to button this up and put the tire back on it. I was able to give this a 100% perfect repair on this Carrera GTS. If you have something like this in your vehicle, feel free to reach out to me. You can phone me at 707-333-1820 and send me over a picture. Let me see what you have. Let me see how I can help. Thanks again.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down.